Hi and welcome to Aberystwyth. I'm Robin, a student here at Aber Uni, and this video will give you a quick few tips on how to get the most out of your Welsh Bac. So what is the Welsh Bac and what will your individual projects involve?
The new Welsh Baccalaureate qualification is a very exciting one where the students will be studying 3 different challenges during their first year of study, and that's the Community Challenge, the Enterprise Challenge and the Global Citizenship Challenge, where they will be developing 7 different skills, and then in the second year of study they'll be asked to showcase those skills with the individual project. Now the project is half of the qualification and is a research project that the students will be asked to do either into their personal interest as far as education goes and their aspirations to go on to further or higher education, but also they can go and go along the route of producing an artefact.
So for my Welsh Bac individual project, I looked at S4C and the money we get from the Welsh Government, and then I discussed how this compares to BBC Alba in Scotland and how the both channels benefits minority language speakers.
For my individual project, as I was studying the Welsh Baccalaureate, I looked at obesity in Texas. It was quite an interesting topic. I enjoyed it. I learned a lot about lifestyles and how healthy some of the countries were compared to others.
For my individual Bac project, I studied the comparison of milk production in New Zealand and Wales and the difference and the similarities between them.
So the Welsh Bac prepared me for life at university because it teaches you how to research, and for someone in sixth form you tend to maybe rely on Google and the internet to research, but doing the Welsh Bac you learn all the skills you need to use different resources.
One of the main gains I had from doing my project was learning how to harvard reference and looking at reliable sources, which is obviously a very important aspect of uni work.
My advice for students about to start their individual project is to research something that they will do in university, because this is an introduction to university life.
Advice I would give to any student starting their individual project is to do plenty of research, to ask for help, because going to university isn't that much different from your experience in sixth form, so you have a personal tutor that helps you show you how to research and set out your essays.
If I could give advice to anyone that started the project now, I'd say to do anything you want, you can be as broad as you want, but I think the thing that's most important is what you want to do.
The Bac certainly helped me gain a place in university because it allowed me to have extra UCAS points, which was essential for me. So I knew if I did well in the Bac, it would be a bonus for me at the end of the day when my grades were chosen for university.
When I came for my informal interview with the Welsh department, I could prove that I'd written an essay of academic standard. The lecturer asked questions on the essay, and then I got offered a place at Aberystwyth University because of this.
The Bac helped me a great deal get into university. Quite simply, without it I probably wouldn't be here. So for that I'm just thankful that I took it, and it's definitely worth doing.
I think it's a very good thing that Aberystwyth Uni accepts Welsh Baccalaureate, because it's equal to any A-level in its own right.
I definitely think that it's good that Aberystwyth University accepts the Welsh Bac as an A-level, because it is an A-level in its own right. And for any student that's unsure what they want to study at university, if it gives them the option to study anything that they want. They don't have to limit themselves to one thing. And also the skills that you learn from doing the Welsh Bac, such as working as a team, working independently, all the skills that will benefit you studying at university.
Other aspects of the Welsh Bac have definitely helped me. Not only just as uni work, but as a person, because you get to work in group projects, which help you with communication skills, presentation. That's a massive part of university, and it's definitely a skill you should learn before you go into the working world.
The Welsh Bac has helped me over the years to gain confidence in aspects like public speaking. I think it is essential as a 17 and 18-year-old that I develop confidence in speaking in public, as it is an essential element for future life.
So if I were to describe the Welsh Bac in 3 words, I would probably use challenging, flexible and rewarding.
In 3 words, the Welsh Bac is helpful, interesting and inspiring.
I go for worthwhile, challenging, and overall it's just an experience.
Helpful, beneficial and fun.
Useful, different and interesting.
In 3 words, the Welsh Bac is fun, different and interesting.